So how do you turn on the camera access for Snapchat on an iPhone? And let's get started. So if you're new on the Foxtecc channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. Well, inside of the settings application of the iPhone, at the bottom entirely, we have the apps section, right? So you get to browse your apps as usual, right? All of the things are going on, but there you need to scroll through, of course, go to the S, like alphabetically, and find Snapchat right here. And once you go to the Snapchat, you can see all of the settings regarding to just that app. And one of them should be the camera, right? So you can make sure that camera for Snapchat is enabled alongside the other things like microphone might also be needed in case you want to capture videos. So turn that on, right? The photo access can be changed in here, location, and so many different things, right? So it's pretty useful to just manage all of your app related settings here. Also, outside of that, if you want to, you can go to the privacy and security section of your device's settings and there find all of the apps which can access your camera, right? So you can see we have the Snapchat in here, but also other social media apps. So you can manage just the camera in here specifically. So that's how it works. Let me know what you think about that below, if it worked for you or not. Most definitely subscribe so you don't miss videos and tutorials like this one, and I'll see you later in those videos. So stay tuned and I'll see you then.